Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where day 2 location is of the Onsen Egg Promise treasure hunt. So for the second day of the egg location, it's like near the ice skating rink above this like ice sculpture here. So you're just going to want to grab your camera as usual and you're just going to take a picture. As you can see, I've collected that and that is where it is. Whoops. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. We have like I can't count, like 14 more days. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.